Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer's Palette. I hope you all are doing well. So today our topic is Polygon tool. So here in Polygon tool, you can select number of sides for 3 or more than 3. So I'm selecting 8 number of sides. There is two options. One is inscribe circle, the other one is circumscribe circle. So I am selecting inscribe first. Here is the center, and there is octagon. So inscribe means that the circle will be tangent to the sides of a polygon, and it will be inside the polygon. Doesn't matter if it is 8-side polygon, 7-side polygon, like octagon, pentagon, whatever it is, but the circle will be inside of it and it will be tangent to the sides of the polygon. Okay, now here you'll give radius diameter to the circle. For example, I'm giving it a diameter of 40. So it means that the diameter between the sides is 40, not between the corners. Like in the corners it is 43.24. I'm changing it to 45. It is not changing because I have defined that the sides or the radius of the circle will be this much, 40. Okay, now in polygon tool we have, and they all will act differently like in rectangle tool. Okay, now the other option is circumscribe circle. So the circumscribe circle mean that the polygon will be inside of a circle and the circle will be tangent to the corners of a polygon. Here is polygon, and now when you give diameter to your circle, for example it is 20. Now when you give diameter to your circle, it means that the distance between two corners is 20. Distance between two corners is 20, not between two sides. So whenever in your drawing you are given the distance of between two corners, you can use circumscribe polygon, and when the distance between two sides is given, you can use inscribe polygon. Okay, this was all about polygon, and also you can construct triangles and rectangles and squares from here as well. You can select rectangle from here, like make rectangles from here, but you can also make rectangles or triangles or square from here as well. You also have line command from which you can construct any shape, but here you will need too much like a dimensioning to construct it according to what you want. So this was all about polygon tool. In the next class we will be learning a spline tool. Please like our videos, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.